guys, today I'm going to show you how to add new categories in the classified theme by SiteMile. So let's get started. So we have the site here. Right now I'm logged in, but let's say you weren't logged in. You first have to log in into the administration account. So I'm going to log in as an admin. I go here, WP admin. I go to listings, then categories, and here let's say I want to add a new category. And if I want to add a subcategory to my new added category, I select the parent category here and I write my subcategory. Okay, now I want to show my category. Obviously the category shows here, as you see. Now I want to show my category here in this widget, or here. Actually here already shows, but let's say I want to show it here. So the first thing I want to do is to go to category images to assign an image to my category. So I will take this picture as my category picture. Let's refresh this page. I'm not sure exactly why it didn't work, so let's try with a new like a new picture. We will use this picture. So it seems like it doesn't let me something has happened. I'm not sure why it doesn't let me add a new picture here. Maybe because I'm in my local host. But anyway, to add that category to my widget, so I go to edit my home page. I select the widget. Sorry, let's refresh the page. So I select my widget. I simply tick the box for my new category here. I update. And obviously my category shows now, only it doesn't have a picture. So once you are in a live website, you will be able to upload a picture. It doesn't work for me because I'm on my local host. So yeah, that's pretty much it. A very simple process. I thank you for watching this, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.